Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel, My Classroom with Prema Ma'am. Today I am going to teach you the living organism characteristics and habitat. So students, get ready with your paper and pen and let's start. Students, if you see in your surrounding, you will find variety of plants and animals. अगर आप कोई बीच में जाते हो तो वहाँ पे आपको डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स देखने को मिलेंगे. इफ़ यू गो टू अ हिली रीजन, you go to a mountain, you find different plants and animals there, right? So today we are going to study कि वहाँ जो प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स हैं जो माउंटेन रीजन्स में हैं वो हमें प्लेन्स में क्यों नहीं मिलते, और जो वाटर में हैं उनमें ऐसा क्या अडेप्टेशन है, उनमें ऐसा क्या फीचर्स है जिसकी वजह से वो ईज़िली वाटर में रह सकते हैं. So we are going to see the different features of different animals and plants which help them to survive in their surrounding. So there is a very important term, that is habitat. Students, what is habitat? Habitat is a place where organisms live, but it has to be natural. Okay, the place has to be natural. It is the natural place where the organism will live. The habitat, the place where the organism live, will provide a lot many things to the organism. क्या क्या देगी वो उसको? वहाँ पे उसको खाना भी मिलेगा, पानी भी, एयर भी, शेल्टर भी, और बहुत सारी नीड्स जो उस ऑर्गेनिज्म के हैं जहाँ पे वो रह रहा है, जो हैबिटेट है, वो उसको प्रोवाइड करवाएगी. तो ऐसी जगह को, एक ऐसी नेचुरल प्लेस को जहाँ पे वो ऑर्गेनिज्म वहाँ पे रहेगा, जिससे उसको खाना, पानी, हवा, शेल्टर और बहुत सारे उसके नीड्स फुलफ़िल होंगे, उस जगह को हम बोलेंगे हैबिटेट. लेट्स clearly understand what is habitat. For understanding this, let's divide the habitat into two main types. First, plants and animals that live on land. जो ज़मीन पे रहेंगे उस हैबिटेट को, वो प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स जो कि लैंड पे रह रहे हैं, उनके हैबिटेट को हम बोलेंगे टेरेस्ट्रियल हैबिटेट. और ऐसे प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स जो कि पानी में रह रहे हैं, उनके हैबिटेट को, उनके रहने की जगह को हम बोलेंगे एक्वाटिक हैबिटेट. अभी आप बोलोगे लैंड में तो कितने सारे वैरायटी है. एग्जैक्टली. सो टेरेस्ट्रियल हैबिटेट को वी आर फर्दर डिवाइडिंग इट इनटू फॉरेस्ट, ग्रासलैंड, desert, coastal and mountain region. All this is coming under terrestrial habitat. Aquatic habitat के अंदर lakes आएगा, rivers and oceans. In forest habitat, some of the plants and animals like neem, shisham, animal like tiger, porcupine, elephants are found. Animals you will find in grasslands are cheetahs, deers and giraffes. Animals found in desert region are camels, snake, spiders, scorpions. Whereas some plants found in desert are cactus and bushes. Coming to the coastal region, so in coastal habitat, the plants you will find are coconut, cashews, mangroves. And what about the animals? Animals in the coastal region are fish, crabs, prawns and many more. Some of the plants and animals found in mountain regions are animals like black bear, wolves, mountain goats are found, and trees like coniferous trees like pines and spruces are typical example of mountain plants. So students, have you seen the different animals and plants in terrestrial habitat? They all are living in land, but different types of lands are there. Some are forest, some are grassland, some desert, coastal and mountain region. All these have different plants and animals living in them, right? Similarly, in aquatic habitat, if we see aquatic grasses animals like snakes are found in lakes. And in river, animals like snail, worms, turtle, frogs can be found. And plants like algae, beautiful flowering plants like water lilies, reeds can be found in rivers. What about oceans? In ocean, we can find dolphin, whale, sea lion, penguin. And plants like phytoplanktons, kelp, red algae are found in ocean habitat. तो स्टूडेंट्स अभी आपने देखा मैंने कितने सारे प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स आपको बता दिए और ये सब अलग अलग जगह पे रहते हैं राइट दे आर लिविंग इन अ डिफरेंट हैबिटेट्स सो what is the thing that help them to survive to live in this habitat so we are going to study what make it possible for a living organism to live in different habitat so here comes another very important term that is adaptation what is adaptation students Adaptation is the evolutionary process whereby an organisms become better able to live in its habitat. What does it mean? एक method है, okay, जिसकी वजह से organism get well adjusted to the climate and is able to live in the habitat. And remember, this adaptation does not take place in a short time. Because the abiotic factors of a region also change very slowly. किसी पर्टिकुलर जगह का जो अबायोटिक फैक्टर्स है वो भी धीरे धीरे चेंज होता है नाउ यू विल आस्क मी व्हाट इज अबायोटिक फैक्टर all the non-living things like rock, soil, air, water, all these are the abiotic component of the habitat. Okay, so what is biotic component? Biotic means living. So plants and animals जो कि एक habitat में रहते हैं वो biotic component हो गए habitat के और जो non living things है like rock, soil, air, water ये हो गए हमारे abiotic component of a habitat. Sunlight and heat are also abiotic components. So adaptation क्या है? Adaptation एक method है जिससे organism well adjust हो जाता है अपने habitat में रहने के लिए लेकिन ये आसानी से एक दिन में 2 दिन में नहीं होता है adaptation को करने के लिए adaptation को take place होने के लिए लंबा टाइम लगता है ओके and only those organisms which are able to adapt to this abiotic factor okay they will only remain they will only survive and those organisms जो कि adapt नहीं हो पाएंगे वो die हो जाते हैं okay students I hope you have understood the introduction part of this chapter you have understood what is habitat and what is adaptation we will continue this chapter in my next video till then stay tuned and don't forget to like share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Classroom with Prema Ma'am. Thanks for watching.